Python list pop method. In this video, we will learn about pop method of the list object, its syntax and examples. Pop method removes the item at the given position in the list and returns the removed item. The syntax of pop method is pop parameter I, where I is the position of the item that we would like to remove from the list. Consider a list with 4 items in the list. The index of each item in the list is specified below the item. When we call pop method on this list and pass 2 as argument, then the method removes the item in the list at index is equal to 2 and returns that item. If you do not specify any index to the pop method, then it considers the position of last item in the list as index. It removes the last item and returns the last item in the list. It modifies the original list. The items after the popped item are shifted to left by 1 position. The length of the list is reduced by 1. Now let us go through some examples. First example. Take a list of strings with fruit names. Fruits is equal to apple, banana, cherry, and mango. Consider that we have to pop item at index is equal to 2 from the fruits list. Call pop method on fruits list and pass index is equal to 2 as argument. Print the popped item and the resulting list to output. Save and run the program. The pop method removed the item at index is equal to 2, which is cherry, from the list. Now consider the scenario where we need to pop the last item in the list and print that item to the output. We can call pop method on fruits list and pass no argument, because when no argument is passed to the pop method, it removes the last item and returns that popped item. Print the popped item and the resulting list to the output. The pop method removed the last item mango from the list. Now consider the scenario where we try to pop the item at an index which is out of bounds for the given list. The length of fruits list is 4. Therefore, the index range is from 0 to 3 or -1 to -4. Call pop method on fruits list and pass an index value of 7. Since 7 is out of bounds for the given list, pop method raises index error. How to handle this index error? You can use try except and handle the index error in except block. Since no popping has been done, the list remains unchanged. In this video, we have covered how to use pop method of list object to pop an item from the list at specific index and how to handle the index error when the given index is out of bounds for the given list. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our content, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.